Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload high quality video on Instagram. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Instagram app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just go to your bottom right corner to this profile icon. Once you go over here, just go to top right corner to your settings, and now just scroll a bit down until you find this option which says data usage and media quality. Now over here you'll see this upload at highest quality. Make sure this is turned on. So if this is turned on, what it's gonna be is written over here, always upload the highest quality photos and videos if uploading takes longer. So if this is turned on, you'll be having a higher quality videos and photos. So now just go and upload high quality video on Instagram, guys. So that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.